How to change units on Booking.com. If you're using the Booking.com app and need to switch between metric and imperial units, the process is simple. Follow these steps to customize your measurement preferences to best suit your needs. First, open the Booking.com app on your device. Once inside, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen, where you'll find the My Account option. Tap on it to access your personal settings. Next, scroll through the available options until you locate the Device Preferences section. This is where Booking.com allows you to fine-tune certain settings to enhance your user experience. Once you've found it, tap to open the menu. Within the Device Preferences menu, you'll see an option labeled Units. This is the setting that controls whether distances and measurements are displayed in metric or imperial format. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with two choices: metric or imperial. Now, simply select the measurement system that aligns with your preference. Once you've made your choice, the app will automatically adjust all relevant units throughout your browsing experience. There's no need to save manually. Your selection is applied instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.